JC Organic Barley is not only to drink, but of course, I'll show you.
Kawawa naman yung asawa ko doon. Iniwan ko na
I'm gonna try to mix with the banana Fritz mix to make it healthy.
Ilang piraso yan, coach, yung
This
sinain
is
na
for... This is different from the previous one.
okay. So, it's mean special.
This is a special today. Just to show that JC Organic Barley is not only to drink, but of course to make for something else.
Patingin nga ng ano, coach. Patingin nga ng... yan, JC Organic Barley from New
So,
Zealand.
I'm gonna call this like banana Fritz with organic barley mix.
With JC
With
Organic.
JC Organic mix.
Yun. Yan, parang ang sarap niya na, oh.
Iba eh. It just came to my mind last night. Para maiba naman.
Tumilapon to eh, kaya basag na naman. Sensitive daw itong iPhone. Kaya natawa ako eh. Lahat ng pagpasok ko talaga ng bahay, lahat ng mga messages na ting, 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 ting. Kasi nag-aalala yung kapatid ko sa Mindanao, yung dalawa, yung anak ko rin, yung isa kong anak. Ay, Bena, sabi ko doon, tuwa pa yung mga pagdating kay mother ko, kasi matrapi. Ay, oh, ano pala, bukas pa ng gabi. Ano to sa...
Sabi ko nga,
Kasi sa, dyan lang ako eh, dito.
Hindi.
Hindi